Hi everyone, and welcome back to Happily a Homeschool Mom. Sorry I've been a little bit busy lately and I haven't been able to get on here and make some of the videos that I wanted to this summer. I've been really busy recording grades and getting everything situated for next year, and I'm still taking time out of my day to listen to my kids finish their books for the summer. And then also the kids, if you hear one of my children playing piano in the background, my kids are also continuing to practice their piano every single day during the summer. So a couple things that I wanted to show you now that right now I'm in the process of grading some papers and entering them into my binder, which I'll show you in a minute. I thought I'd take this time to quickly show you a few things or a few ways that I stay organized with my homeschooling. When I grade papers, when I'm done, I usually, as I'm grading papers, I have a bag of just to put the pages that are already done in. And if they've been recorded in my grade book, then they go in this plastic bag and then we burn them. That's just what we do. I wanted to show you how this first of all is where I keep all of the answer keys to all the work that we have. This book is just simply filled with clear plastic sheets. I take whatever book they're currently using. I will take the answer sheets out of the back, staple them together, and put them in this binder. So then when I go to correct their work, then all I have to do is pull that answer sheet out and then correct it. So it's very easy and it's very organized, and I can just go through and use it that way, and it works really well for us. Now, and it all stays in one binder. Now this is my grade book, and in the same respect, I keep everything in here from the beginning of when they started school, what year we started, and their grades are all in there for each year, and then I just keep adding more on the front. This page I just leave on here it's blank, and then I just copy it year to year. Here's 2017-18, the books that they've read, and I keep track of what books they've read throughout the year, grades, and so forth. Sometimes I go a little bit more into depth. Sometimes I have averages on the bottom. So there's just a lot and I put extra paper in there, so I'm all ready to go. And if anyone should come to me and want to see, how well my kids are doing, they do get report cards at the end of the year. I buy them online, and then I just fill them out at the end of the school year. They get their report card just like anybody else. After every quarter, and this way I have track of everything. You could use tabs. I just use Post-it notes, and it works really well for me. So that's basically how I do it, and that's how we work my organization system for these two things when I'm grading. I like to sit on the couch to grade. Sometimes I grade at the table, but with our family suffers from Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, which is a connective tissue disorder, and it is I have hypermobility, and I find if I sit at the table too long, I will sublux my knee, and so sitting on the couch or changing positions or getting up and moving around a lot helps in that area. But I just wanted to show you these things, and I hope to be back with more planning videos and so forth. And I hope you're having a great summer, and I will chat with you later. Bye.